This is why you need to know about vertical farming. It might just change the way we grow our food. Vertical farming is making waves, and here's why. First up, increased yield. You can grow more food per square foot than traditional farming. Next, water usage. Thanks to hydroponics and aeroponics, these systems use way less water. Plus, the controlled environment keeps pests and bad weather at bay. Less need for pesticides and urban setups mean fresher food with fewer food miles. But hold on, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The initial cost can be sky high, and energy consumption is a major factor. Not all crops are a good fit, particularly root veggies, and you'll need specialized knowledge to run things smoothly. Plus, tech reliance means any glitch can spell trouble. The role of AI and tech, game changers. From optimizing conditions to automating tasks and managing pests, AI is the secret sauce. So, is vertical farming worth the hype? It's a mix of pros and cons, but with tech on our side, the future looks promising.